said, don't give up. It's a little complicated, all tied up, no more love, and I'd hate to see you waiting. They say it's all been done, but they haven't seen the best of me. So I got one more run, and it's gonna be a sight to see.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Megan. I do shopping hauls, challenges and beauty videos. I am also working on my mental health series, so if you are interested in that, click the link down below. I will also pop a card up here if you want to check out my video that I done for Mental Health Awareness Week. So if you like what you see, don't forget to click on my socials down here. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter to keep up to date. Don't forget to subscribe, spam that like button and the notification bell to be notified every time I upload. So would you believe I've actually had the flu the past few days and I am still feeling quite ill today, but I thought I need to film, and also I thought I need to just get myself ready, put my makeup on and everything like that to try and make myself feel better, because I've been stuck in bed and honestly, like, you know what it's like, you just feel like so restricted, like you need to do something. So I've tried to get myself up and doing stuff today. I mean, I'm aching all over and like I think I've got an ear infection, like I can't even hear in this ear, but I'm a lot better than I was, so I am going to try my best to film for you today. I am only dressed from the top half, like I've still got my jam and bottoms on, but I don't care, I feel like crap, so I'm going to stay like that today. So today, since I'm not feeling the best, I thought I would do come clean with me. So I've let my room get really messy, just really sort of like my makeup's all over the place. I need to organise it, I need to declutter, so I'm going to show you that as I do it, and then hopefully I'll have a nice fresh room ready for filming my next videos, and especially when I do a room tour, because I cannot do a tour of my room when I have stuff literally like everywhere. So I am gonna show you that today. So first I'm just going to show you like everything that is just all over the place. So starting with my windowsill, there's literally like you can't even see out of it. My makeup area is just, yeah.
Mama said, don't give up. It's a little complicated, all tied up, no more love, and I'd hate to see you waiting. Had to have high hopes for a living, shooting for the stars when I couldn't make a killing. Didn't have a dime, but I always had a vision, always had high hopes. Had to have high hopes for a living, shooting for the stars when I couldn't make a killing. Didn't have a dime, but I always had a vision, always had high hopes.
So I've finally finished decluttering my room. I'm now going to show you exactly what I did and how I've organised everything. I mean, it's not 100% perfect, but it's a lot better than it was, so I'm going to show you that. I've got my tan drawer, so I'm going to be doing another video on my tan collection. So basically I've got two whole bags full of of the different tans that I've got. So yeah, I'm going to be showing that in another video, but I just love having everything organised into one drawer. I have just some more like makeup bags and stuff. I've got tanning mitt at the back. And then in here I think I've just got like, yeah, like this is a Dove one, so I've just got loads of like shampoos, shower gels, body moisturisers, stuff that I just get for Christmas and birthdays and stuff, and I just like collect them. And then in the bottom drawer I have, my drawer got stuck. And then in the bottom drawer I still have loads of more makeup bags, but this one is for nails, so I've got all my nail stuff in here. I've got just like some false nails and stuff there. So I've had to stick the light on because once again it's so dark and gloomy outside and you couldn't even see what I was showing you. So now I'm going to show you the lights that I've put up. I love them just for like the background of my videos. I think they're so cute. Obviously nobody sleeps on this bed, otherwise like I wouldn't have loads of lights all over it. This is the spare room, so if people do come and stay here, I'll obviously take the lights off and all the cushions, they're just there for sure, but I love them to bits. As you can see, my room is rose gold and pink and white and grey, and I just love it. It's just my absolute favourite colours. So basically, yeah, I just have all the lights around there, and I've got them all the way up my shelves. On my shelves I have some plants. They are fake. I really can't be bothered to water my plants upstairs. I've got real ones downstairs but not upstairs. So I've got some plants, and I've got some like quartz, some candles, basically just like Pandora bags there. They're just for display, but they look so cute, they look so gorgeous. I've got like perfumes and stuff like that. Just, I think even that jar there, the one that is next to the candle, that jar lights up as well, but I haven't put batteries in that one. Is it. So I didn't realise how hard this video would actually be to film because I don't have a tripod. So I did plan originally to film myself actually decluttering and how I organised everything, but I couldn't do it because I don't have a tripod, so I just had to film it from above, as you saw. So I'm sorry if I didn't show everything exactly how I would have liked to, but I have to work with what I've got. And also I know it's a different day, I'm in a different clothes and I look much different, but it's because like I said the other day, I've been recovering from the flu. So I did start to film this video and then I was like, no, like I still feel exhausted, I need to go and have a lie down. So I did. I had a rest for the rest of the day. So that I do feel much better now. I've still got a really sore throat, and I keep sneezing, but I think there's allergies because I've just sprayed air freshener. But yeah, this is the day after. So thanks for watching, and like I said, if you do like this video, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified every time I upload. And also don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram because I post lots of stuff on there, loads of exciting stuff that you don't see on this channel. So please check that out, and I'll see you again soon, hopefully. Bye!